Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries wants to reverse the effect of sassaflies on humans and livestock. Information available indicates that the sassaflies kill about 1 million heads of cattle annually, with an estimated 10% of calves killed by sassaflies annually. State Minister for Agriculture Major Bwino Kyakulaga says sassaflies still affect livestock and humans, and it has an effect on the economy.
Problem does not come back as an epidemic, because when it came as an epidemic, many people died and many heads of cattle were disseminated in this country. So I'm of the view that as a country we shouldn't allow this to happen again, and the only way to do it is to have continuous surveillance, control and mass mobilization.
Sassafly infection leads to a 14% milk production, which affects the total revenue from milk and quality.
The problem of trypanosomiasis is a very big problem to us as people, to countries that are invaded by the sessile vector and where trypanosomiasis happens. It causes loss of lives in terms of people, and in animals can die, but also silently they cannot produce optimally because of the infection. They may not die, but because of the presence of infection, the milk production may be low, growth rate may be low, and so many other things.
The Director, Center for Trypanomiasis Control Agency in Uganda, Professor Charles Waiswa, says there is need for a sustained surveillance and broadening of the vector to avoid outbreak.
Under Trypanosomiasis Control Council, because of fear to lose people, we tended to focus on those areas. Fortunately, when we went to focus in these areas where the human disease exists, we find ourselves using the integrated pest management approach, where we fight the vector, we treat the people, and also the animals that are found infected are treated. And we advise the communities on how to handle the animals through mass treatment, especially where the epidemic of the human disease is.
Sassaflies have an economic impact in sub-Saharan Africa as the biological vectors of trypanosomes, which cause sleeping sickness to human and animal trypanosomiasis. Sudat Kaye, Vincent Wamondo, UBC.